Hi, let's create this design using Canva. As usual, you can use this process to recreate any flyer of your choice. Let's get started. Open Canva, click on Create a Design, click on Custom Size. I used 1080 by 1530 for this particular design. I click on Create a New Design. Next, upload your image. I already have an image uploaded onto Canva. You can also use the images found inside of Canva. Otherwise, a good site to use would be pixels.com. Now, to remove the background of your images, if you are using the pro version of Canva, you can do it inside of Canva. Otherwise, a good site to use would be remove.bg. Click on the image to upload. Crop the size just to make it easier to work with later. Now I scale it up holding Alt to scale it up proportionally. Next, change the color of your background. So you click on the background, click on background color. Now I'm going to use photo colors. Photo colors are colors found in any image you upload onto Canva. Canva suggests these colors for you, so I'm going to use this particular color. I often use the photo colors because it makes the whole thing harmonious, unless I have a particular color I need to use for that design. Next, come to elements, search for tone paper. This one looks fine, so I select it, bring it down, scale it up, holding Alt to scale it proportionally. Hit R to bring up your rectangle. Tap on color and then you come to add a new color. Now the color code I'm going to use for this one is FFF07C. Hit enter and that's it. I scale it up and then I hit Ctrl Alt left square bracket to take it behind the image. Next, I'm going to search for hieroglyphic fiber hand seamless pattern. Select this one. So I'm going to change the color to white. Come to add color. White is always at the upper left corner. Hit enter. I'm going to reduce the transparency to about 14. Hit enter. I drag it here and then I hold Alt, drag to duplicate it so that the pattern continues. Next, I'm going to hold Shift and then select this one to select both of them. Hold Alt, drag downward. Then I'm going to adjust it so that it still continues the pattern. Hold Shift and then click on all of them, select everything, hold Ctrl Alt and then a left square bracket. Send it behind everything. Next, I'm gonna hit T to add my text. Type Reve, R-E-V-E. Now for my size, I'm gonna use 103. Hit enter. Now to change my font, I come here and then I click on it. I'm going to use Clicker Script. Change the color, that's the color of the font. Now I'm going to bring it down. Click R to bring another rectangle. I'm going to scale it down to form my lines. This looks fine. I zoom in, hitting Ctrl and the plus button. Change the color to black. Hold Alt and drag to duplicate. Rotate. Minus 90 degrees. Now you adjust it like so. Hold Alt and then drag to duplicate. Zoom out first, hit T again. I'm gonna type Afro. Increase the size to 28, hit enter, rotate, negative 90 degrees. Change it to beauty. Increase the size to 28, hit enter. Now this afro, I'm gonna make it bold. Stretch it a little bit so that everything is on the same line. The beauty, I'll stretch it as well. But then this time you want to increase the letter spacing to 673 click and hold shift, hit Ctrl J, group your elements. Now I'm going to move them upward like so. Move the beauty upward as well. This looks fine. Hold out and then drag to duplicate. Reduce the size to 16. Stretch the sides. Reduce the letter spacing to 656. You come to the alignment and then you left align it. Change the font to League Spartan. Font size 25. Come to effects, tap on background, reduce the roundness, change the color. So that's about it. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.